Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Today we are going to look at a very common proverb. This proverb means fortune knocks once at every man's door. We all get at least one wonderful opportunity in life. Everybody can be successful in life. To illustrate the meaning of this proverb in a relatable way, I'm going to leave you to listen to a short story. In Harare lived a man named Benjamin. Benjamin was a hard-working soul, toiling day in and day out at the local mill to make ends meet for his family. Despite his diligence, Benjamin often had his thoughts wandering, wishing for something more to chance, an opportunity to change his fortunes. One crisp autumn evening, as Benjamin sat by the hearth with his family, the faint sound of a knock echoed through the wooden door of their humble cottage. Curious, Benjamin rose from his seat and opened the door to find a stranger standing on the threshold, cloaked in shadows cast by the waning light of the setting sun. "Good evening, sir," the stranger greeted with a warm smile. "I come bearing news of an opportunity that may change your life." Intrigued, Benjamin invited the stranger inside, and over a cup of steaming tea, the stranger revealed himself to be a merchant from a distant land. He spoke of a lucrative business venture that required someone with Benjamin's skills and dedication. It was an opportunity that promised wealth and prosperity beyond Benjamin's wildest dreams. Overwhelmed by the sudden turn of events, Benjamin hesitated. Could this truly be his chance to rise above his circumstances? Could fortune be knocking at his door at last? With a determined glint in his eye, Benjamin seized the opportunity, bidding farewell to his family as he embarked on a journey into the unknown. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as Benjamin immersed himself in his new venture. Despite the challenges and uncertainties that lay ahead, he persevered, drawing upon his unwavering resolve and steadfast determination. And slowly, but surely, his efforts began to bear fruit. Years passed, and Benjamin's business flourished beyond all expectations. From the humble confines of his cottage, he had built an empire a testament to his resilience and the opportunity that had come knocking at his door that fateful autumn evening. As Benjamin reflected upon his journey, he realized the profound truth behind the proverb, "Fortune only knocks once at every man's door." And though the road had been fraught with hardships and obstacles, he had emerged victorious, a living testament to the boundless potential that lies within each and every one of us. And so, the tale of Benjamin serves as a reminder that opportunity awaits us all. If only we have the courage to answer when fortune comes knocking at our door.